AI is replacing animators faster than anyone expected, and this video might completely change the way you think about learning animations. Because right now people are spending years and thousands of dollars learning skills that AI can now do in seconds. So does that mean animation is dead? Not exactly. It means the game has changed. I'm going to show you exactly what you can do with it, even if you are a beginner. Now let's see how to create these types of motions using AI. Once you click the Quickmagic link in the description, this page pops up. Hit the sign up button real quick and create your account. Once you are done, this is the screen you will see, and honestly, this is where things start getting interesting. You will notice 6 different options here. Now go straight into AI mocap. Now it's asking for a video or motion that you want your character to perform. Local video means a clip from your PC, and sample video is footage provided by the Quickmagic team. For this video, I am downloading a clip from. Alright, once the video is downloaded, just drag and drop it here. Now let it cook for a second while it processes everything. Once that's done, select the character you want to perform the motion from your video. This site will automatically detect the person inside the clip, and when it's finished, click next. Then this menu shows up. I had honestly recommend using the same exact settings I am using here.
Recommend.
Because these are probably the best budget friendly settings. And if you are Gen Z, start destroying every button in this website, and also the red subscribe button you are seeing below down the video. Now hit generate. And boom, in less than a minute the AI creates the entire animation. To preview the result, just click on the video and check this out. This is actually kinda insane. No mocap suit, no expensive setup, not even properly recorded mocap video. The only thing we are really spending here is our time. And if you want to push it even further, use my referral link along with the code BW3D to get a discount. This discount is very heavy discount. Just try it. Now click download and a zip file start downloading to your PC. And honestly, if you really want to use all features, I had recommend getting the subscription instead of spending weeks trying to build everything manually while destroying your sleep schedule. Also, don't forget to use the code BW3D. Now, let's open the zip file we have just downloaded. Extract it anywhere you want and open it, and open the folder. Inside, you will find all the textures along with the fully rigged and animated FBX character. Now jump into Blender and simply drag the FBX into your scene. Set the timeline to the last keyframe, and that's literally it. In under 3 minutes, we have created a fully animated dance video. Huge thanks to Quickmagic for making this kind of technology so accessible. Now for the texture, select any part of the character and create a material. In base color, click the yellow dot, choose image texture, and load the matching texture from the zip folder. Just make sure the texture name matches the character mesh name, and boom, done. Now set up a cool scene, add some lighting, render the animation, and enjoy the final result.